Welcome, and this will be our trip to Sweden. We are going to do one of our walkthrough tours that we will take place during our trip in Sweden on the fourth day. Right here is the Medelhavsk Museet, a museum focusing on Mediterranean culture. We will stop by here, where you can see the Museevik Museum is a center of Stockholm, focused around the collection of mainly ancient objects from the Mediterranean area. Right here will be where we park our car and we'll start our tour for the day. As you can see, it's a lovely area. It has beautiful walkways and even scooters for a ride around for a little leisurely recreational fun. As we go down, we will go down the street, far down, this way, to the point where we will reach our next destination. Right down here. We will be at the Kvartholmen. Right here, the Kvartholmen is the House of Culture. It is a cultural center situated to the south of Sergels in central Stockholm. This is the House of Culture as it has been described by the people of Sweden. This is a little bit of an aerial view for you to get an idea of how large this complex is, to show the vast majority of international relations that Sweden takes part of. Just for you to get a little idea of the ground eye view of what you'll see when we're on our tour. Right here will be the bridge. A little bridge right here. Go up there. Beautiful windows on the building. You can go through and see outside to the beautiful city. Right here they have little shops for us to go and tour. Nice little dining area if you want a little snack. Look at this beautiful plaza. People gather and talk, which would be very nice to do after COVID-19. It's been very difficult and challenging for a lot of people. As you can see some of the signs over here. I'll walk down this way. Go up the stairs. And then lastly, we'll go to our third stop for the day, which will be the Sergels Torg. The Sergels Torg is a complex area right here, where is a beautiful view that we wanted students to be able just to kind of come in and take the scenery. Just kind of a little something to ease the mind and look at the very famous national water fountain in the country. As you can see, there is a structural tower in the center, done by one of Sweden's own home artists. Come in there, throw some quarters to make a wish, walk around the area, see more. Right down here is actually their local tunnel system. And after that, we will head back to our hotel to end the day. So this is a little brief tour of what we'll be doing for the day, and I hope you enjoy it.